Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale document automation with HotDocs step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current document automation processes. Identify the types of documents you generate most frequently. Gather a list of key stakeholders who will be involved in the scaling process. Choose a suitable version of HotDocs that meets your organizational needs. Install HotDocs on your system according to the installation guide provided. Familiarize yourself with the HotDocs interface and functionalities. Create a project plan outlining your objectives and timelines. Schedule training sessions for team members who will use HotDocs. Develop a standardized template for your documents to ensure consistency. Begin by automating simpler documents to get a feel for the software. Use HotDocs template creation tools to build your first automated document. Incorporate dynamic fields to customize your documents based on input data. Leverage HotDocs merging features to combine data from multiple sources. Test your automated document thoroughly to catch any errors. Collect feedback from users to improve the automation processes. Scale your automation by gradually introducing more complex documents. Monitor performance metrics to measure efficiency gains and user satisfaction. Adjust your templates as needed based on real-world use and feedback. Develop a support system for ongoing user assistance. Continuously evaluate and refine your document automation strategy. Plan for regular updates and training to keep your team informed on new features. Explore integration options with other software to enhance functionality. Document your processes and best practices for future reference. Encourage ongoing collaboration among team members to share insights and improvements. Stay informed on industry trends to keep your automation strategies relevant. Celebrate milestones to maintain motivation throughout the scaling process. Commit to a culture of innovation and continuous improvement. Keep your end goals in mind as you work towards full-scale document automation with HotDocs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.